Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the SUR-RON mounting brackets for the controller of motorbikes, scooters, and e-bikes. These original parts and accessories from SUR-RON are designed to take your riding experience to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, having the right equipment is crucial. These mounting brackets are essential for ensuring a secure and stable connection for your controller. They are made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Not only do these mounting brackets provide a secure fit, but they also enhance the overall look of your bike or scooter. With their sleek and modern design, they are the perfect combination of style and functionality. But why should you consider investing in these mounting brackets? Well, aside from the fact that they are original parts from SUR-RON, they are also incredibly easy to install. You don't need to be a professional mechanic to get them set up on your bike or scooter. So, if you're looking to elevate your riding experience and ensure the safety and stability of your controller, these mounting brackets are a must-have. Don't settle for anything less than the best when it comes to your ride. You can find the link to purchase these SUR-RON mounting brackets in the description below. Trust us, you won't regret adding these to your collection of bike or scooter accessories. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.